Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be cutting open this water heater. It's an old one, it's from 1989. Has a ton of mineral deposits that have built up over the years in here. It's had no normal maintenance, so it should be interesting to see what's in here. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it, and we'll take a look. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the insulation off of there. Let's see if we can get one of these off. Not going to happen. I think we're going to have to go ahead and get the grinder out, grind into there, and then use the reciprocating saw. I'll stop the camera. All right, there we go. So you can see how much deposits are built up in there. Let me grab a tape measure.
So there's the top heating element. That one doesn't look too bad, but who knows how much of this stuff actually flaked off while I was cutting on it. Let's see if we can get a... There's that. So, looks like that stuff about 6 inches. Let's see if you can see that. 6 inches of debris in there. And it's very heavy. This thing weighs so much more than that new water heater that I put in because of all this. So, no maintenance leads to this. So that's what's inside of an old water heater from 1989. Thanks for watching.